Really? It's up in your nostrils.
My mouth is already getting dry just looking at it.
Have some water before you do it.
It's a good standard run.
More more support antics.
Challenge.
Support
antics. You know, the
Cinnamon
usual.
challenge. You ever heard of
Or
that?
even the cracker challenge. And I'm more of a cracker than Alan.
What is the challenge? to eat an entire tablespoon of cinnamon
Yeah.
Test of my
in under what? In under a minute?
Yeah, so do I.
How much did you spit out?
All of it. Stings. Oh my god. Wow.
Valiant effort.
It stings.
It smells over here. It's gonna smell really nice over here.
Oh my god. Like,
They get in your
sides of my head are
nostrils.
tingling.